All right, if you can't make money with this 100% done for you affiliate marketing system, then the advice I can give you right now is to just quit. Now, I'm not promising you that you're going to make money, but you stand a good chance of making money with this system simply because everything is set up and done for you. Your only sole responsibility is to send traffic to this one-page funnel system. And I'm going to take you inside of the system so you can look at the back office. I'm going to take you inside of my affiliate dashboard, and I'm also going to take you inside of the Facebook group so you can see, okay, what's going on inside of the group and the success that other people are having as well. And if you can't set the system up, they are offering a free done for you service to set up the system for you to make sure you have everything set up correctly. Your only job is to get traffic, and we show you how to get traffic as well. One way of getting traffic is just what I'm doing here right now, is creating a YouTube video. You can create YouTube short. You can do Facebook Reels, post on your Facebook profile, Instagram, TikTok, whatever you want to do to get traffic to this. I wouldn't recommend Google ads or Bing ads, especially for the make money online niche. Those are some expensive keywords, but doing free methods works, and also purchasing solo ads can work as well because you're building your list with those solo ads. So let's go ahead and just look at this sale page. And it's just simply saying unlock daily commissions with this fully automatic 100% done for you one-page funnel system. Watch this video. It's an automated system, no tech skills, no hard work. This is created by a guy named Yuvraj Lachey, and he's generated millions of sales online. The previous version of the system made $97K. The one-page funnel is the easiest way to earn affiliate commissions, period. The only thing you have to do, you're going to grab your link, you're going to drive targeted traffic, sit back and relax, and earn limitless commissions. It's just that simple. And as I said before, if you're not willing to even go through the process of setting up the system yourself or having them set up the system for you, then I think you just might well, give up this plan of trying to, earn affiliate commissions online. And I'm not just talking about in the make money online niche. I'm talking about any affiliate marketing, health, wealth, relationship, affiliate marketing product, because you're not willing to do what needs to be done. Now, if you are willing to do what needs to be done, there's a link in the description that you can push on, and it's going to take you to a page where you're going to opt in and go and get this little simple product. So you can start earning some commission. The power of the OPF 3.0 email automation. This is done for you. You don't have to worry about doing any emailing. They're going to be emailing on your behalf, not just for this product right here, but any and every product that they set up and have available in the system. You're going to be able to earn. You can read this right here for yourself. Just pause the video. So they're doing the emailing for you, so you don't have to do that. Now, the wise thing to do is build your own email list, but I'm going to show you that they're going to give you access to the ones who purchase and to the leads that you generate through the system. So you still have access to your leads. So here's just some of what you're going to get inside of the new one-page funnel system. 100% ready-made funnels to drive traffic, step-by-step video training and tools. System automatically closes low-ticket, high-ticket sales for you. System auto follow-up to your leads, promote multiple products, earn up to $900 plus commissions per sale. No autoresponder or any software required. Every lead comes from your hard-coded. Every single lead comes from you, hard-coded to you for a lifetime. Build your buyers list by accessing buyer data. Done for you traffic solution. Just plug and play instant traffic and get access to the private Facebook group, which I'm going to show you. And you get some bonuses here. Unlimited traffic from the personal rotator, and we will auto promote your link to their buyers list. Now, the price, you can see some testimonials down here. The price to get started with this is a ridiculous $7 one-time investment. Now he's going to ask you if you want to get higher commissions by purchasing the $47 profit booster, which I highly recommend that you get, okay, because it's going to help you earn more commissions, okay? It's going to help you earn more money, okay? So then you have a 14-day money back guarantee. If you don't like it, hey, get your money back. You can send support a ticket and you can get your money back. So now let's go inside of the system here and have a look around at this simple system. This is the one-page funnel back office. You're going to have step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and then step 5. Watch all of these videos. This explains everything to you. It's just going to take you step by step. You're going to connect your system affiliate ID here in this video here. You're going to connect to the AppSense network. This is what gives you the opportunity to earn some more income by joining this CPA offer network. You're going to grab your URL, your funnel links rather, okay, by clicking here, and then you're going to run traffic. He's going to show you how to run traffic. You have some links down here to get traffic as well. So it's as simple as that. Now, if you can't do this, then they will do this for you. They'll set up everything to make sure it's right. Okay, so let's just look at a couple of other things. You're going to have some special offers here. You're going to have done for you funnels in here that you can get access to with VSLs. Okay, you can see your referrals. You're going to have traffic solutions, the traffic that they recommend, leads, empower, and traffic zest. You're going to have training in here, access to paid ads, access to free ads, bonus income stream that you can tap into in here. I like this little scale up. You're able to see the leaderboards. You get access to Chat GPT here. You're able to, if you want to integrate your own autoresponder, you can do that here as well. It's totally up to you. And then you're going to see the affiliate manager. This is where you're going to put in all of your affiliate links. I highly recommend that you get everything. The only thing I don't have is got backup. I may get to that at a later date, but right now, I'm, satisfied with this. Okay, so you're just going to get started, follow those simple steps. If you don't know how to do it, or you can't do it, or don't want to do it, then you're going to get access to someone who will do it for you. If we look inside of my affiliate back office, I've earned $147 in commissions with this. Okay, traffic is going pretty well. So it does work. I can refresh this just to let you see that it does work. That's $147, 7 trials as far as some other products that I was running inside of this system as well. Okay, so you see the lifetime earnings here. Now let's go inside of the Facebook group that you're going to get access to, and it's called the Affiliate Profit Club, the hub of affiliate marketers. Almost 3,000 members inside of this group. Okay, you'll see people here earning commissions of $100. Right here, Yuvaj say if you want it set up for you, can get 100% done free complete account set up for new OPF backend. My team will handle all the required setup, like adding your affiliate ID. If you haven't set up your OPF back office with affiliate IDs yet, comment below. We'll reach out to you and get it done. This lets you focus on running traffic. That's all you have to do. So you see how easy it is. And as I said before, this is the easiest system that you can probably make money with. But if you're not willing to do the work, if you're not willing to get the work done for you, if you're not willing to run traffic, then it's not going to happen for you. Okay, so someone else is earning right here. We're going down through here. We have a contest going on right now. Okay, where people can first place 1,000, second and third 500, fourth 300, fifth 200, sixth up to 10th $100 each. So the contest ends on March the 31st. Okay, 2025. It starts March the 10th, which is today. Okay, so that is the contest. You see people right here, $1,000. Okay, people are still joining. Other commissions coming in. So the system does work, but you have to be willing to invest in the traffic, either free or paid. Now, it's just that simple. This system is ready to go for you if you are ready to join. Go ahead, click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to, matter of fact, it's going to take you to this page right here. Let's preview it. It's going to take you to this page right here. Put in your information, and then you're going to see this page right here. Watch that quick video, get instant access, and get started. You have a 14-day money back guarantee. So don't let that hold you up or hinder you from joining this little 100% done for you affiliate marketing system that you can start making money with as soon as today, if you're willing to invest in traffic, either freely or paid traffic. So with that being said, click that link in the description, subscribe to the channel. I hope you got value from the video. Leave me a comment, click that link. I look forward to working with you inside of this little system. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.